Welcome to the consumption-based model. Now, cloud service providers typically operate on what's called the consumption-based model. Essentially, in a nutshell, what this means is that the customer is only going to pay for the resources that that customer uses. Whatever they use, they pay for. That's really the long and short of it. It's important to think about what the benefits of the consumption-based model are. And for example, the consumption-based model ensures that there are no upfront costs, since it's basically a pay-as-you-go. There's no need to purchase or manage infrastructure. It also offers the ability to pay for the additional resources that you need only when you need them. And on the flip side of that, the consumption-based model allows you to stop paying for resources that you no longer need. And that's pretty much it. That's the consumption-based model in a nutshell.